How many of you know that your background could be the major reason why your video is not going viral? Now, take a look at this. I can switch up any background I feel like to use on my video because the place I'm using, okay, look at this one. This is the place I'm using currently to shoot my video. It's not good enough for me. That's why I decided to use all this background that I just switched to. Most creators on this YouTube app, most of them shoot very amazing video, but because of the background, because of the environment which they are shooting that video, can hinder them so much. You understand? A video that you ought to get 50,000 view, 100,000 view, you end up getting 200 view, 100 view, even 50 views because of the background. So if you want to create content, if you want to go viral on content, away from the niche you are into and most of the interesting video you are posting, most of the times you might be posting good content, quality content, but in as much as they're in the wrong environment, wrong background, that can make viewers to skip your video. They will not find your video interesting. So that's why I am doing this video today. Though I'm not going to do the tutorial video for now, but I'm going to do the tutorial video tomorrow. I'm feeling it tomorrow. So this is my other channel. There was a channel I built up to 30 something thousand subscribers, but for some reason, for YouTube restriction, I have to leave that channel and build another one. So I'm definitely working on this one. So on this channel, I'm going to be posting video consistently as God may have it. So I'm going to be posting. So here is my major channel. That if you want me to do the tutorial video, just comment, use a reaction of fire emoji on the comment section. You understand? Or just type do part 2 of the video. Then I'm going to do the part 2 for you. So away from that one, I'm going to be addressing this. In this my YouTube channel, I'm going to be posting two kind of content. I'm going to be posting tutorial video, AI videos, tips on YouTube, and of course crime stories. These are things I'm going to be posting on this my YouTube channel. So for those of you that is interested, please don't forget to like and share this video.